You guys are looking for a good saw. I got a lot of gas ones. This is the Ridgid. It's a lifetime warranty if you register it. Plus the battery's a lifetime warranty. You can't go wrong with that. I bought it separate. Tool only. It's 12-inch blade. Cuts 10-inch, they say. It was $189. And then I went online, looked at the batteries. You got to search for it, but there's one that has the 6 amp, 4 amp, and the charger for $179. But the bonus, you get an 8 amp with it for free. You register all those, they're lifetime warranty too. So you get 3 batteries for $179. The tool by itself is $189. Or you can buy the saw, I think it's a 6 amp battery and a charger for $269. But I didn't think that was a good deal compared to the 3 batteries. In the first comment, I'll leave the link to the batteries I bought and the tool I bought. Just remember, register it. You got to do that within 90 days, and everything's got a lifetime warranty, except for the chain and the bar, of course. Have a good one.